ka motsi wa dikhuduego tsa ngwagola Kaunda o ne a tlhagisa mo letlhareng la gagwe la Facebook gore ke monokeng ya gagwe go Zuma e tsepame ebile o tshwanetse go gololwa.
Are you cognizant of the fact that as a public figure, your statements or Facebook posts have a significant impact on social discourse?
Yes, I do. That is why I always take cognizance of the fact that whatever I post, it should not instigate violence. So here in my statement, there's nothing that instigates violence. Instead, I've been calling for calm.
Kaunda a re ga ana kgolagano epe le mopresidente wa maloba ntle fela le gore ke ditokololo tsa ANC ka bobedi.
Do you think this was a responsible thing to do as a public figure who also holds public office?
When you're a leader, you traverse a terrain where sometimes if there's nothing wrong that people are saying, we must acknowledge it. There's nothing wrong of freeing Zuma, as there was nothing wrong of Zuma must fall. So there's nothing wrong at all. Because there were those who said Zuma must fall, there's now those who are saying free Zuma. So I don't see anything unbecoming. But if you look at this statement in isolation, you may then view it as something which insulted violence.
Khabagare mokhuduthamaga wa Business Unity South Africa, Cas Covadia, a re go totobetse gore leano la dikhuduego tsa Phukwi e ne le la go tlhakatlhakanya naga.
The whole intention was not just looting and so on. The whole intention was to destroy major infrastructure. That's why the burning. And we believe that that's how the government should have looked at it.
Commission ya ditshwanelo tsa botho e tla ya go tlhatlhoba mafelo a emegileng kwa Alexander pele ga fa mokaedi mogolo wa SANDF a ka rebola bopaki.